Welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to delete a Badoo account. This is an easy process to do. You need to go to the application of Badoo, and here we got an option of settings, and in our profile where we can search that option of delete the account. We need to go here in the down right corner in profile, and here in profile you need to go to the superior right corner in the option of settings here, and after that you need to pick in the second option where set account. So here in account we got the email login with your account, the option of close the account, singing out the account, and the option of recover get our password, and here in the last part of the page where set delete account. So we need to pick here in delete account. You need to confirm why you want to delete your account, and you delete your account for forever. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.